Today's video is on the top 3 best metal detectors for beginners. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget, bounty hunter, tracker for metal detector. Ever wanted to try your hand at treasure hunting? Well, this metal detector might just be your ticket to adventure. This handy device comes with everything you need: a metal detector and a pinpointer. Let's break it down for you. It can detect metals up to 7 inches deep, thanks to its 8-inch coil. Plus, it runs on a standard 9-volt battery, so no need to worry about complicated power sources. Now, what can it find? Pretty much anything metal, from old relics and coins to precious treasures like silver and gold. Switching between modes is a breeze. Just toggle between discrimination, all metal, and tone modes for different types of searches. One of its coolest features, the ground balancing capability, which means it works well in all kinds of soil. Oh, and did we mention the waterproof search coil? Yep, you can even take this baby underwater. And it's not just about finding stuff. The tracker comes with handy features like a target strength meter display, 2-tone audio discrimination, and a built-in speaker for easy listening. Comfort is key too. With a padded armrest and cushioned hand grip, you can detect for hours without discomfort. Plus, the length is adjustable from 44 to 51 inches, so it's suitable for everyone in the family. But wait, there's more. Once you find something and start digging, it's hard to always pick up the larger metal detector. That's where the pinpointer comes in handy. A pinpointer wand will help you find exactly where it is, as it's smaller and more precise. It's very important to have. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 is your ticket to a world of adventure and discovery. Number 2, best overall Lolaran Adult Metal Detector. I recently got my hands on the Lolaran Adult Metal Detector, and let me tell you, it's pretty awesome. First off, it charges up quickly. With its 2000 mAh lithium battery, it only takes about 4 hours to fill it up. Once it's charged, you're good to go for over 20 hours of continuous detecting fun outdoors. Plus, if you're out and about and need a charge, you can use it as a power bank, so you don't have to stop your adventure. Setting it up is a breeze. It's got this neat, retractable and foldable design that's perfect for both adults and kids. No tangled cables here. And when you're done, you can just fold it up and pop it into a regular shoulder bag. Super easy to carry around, 2.95 pounds. Plus, it's adjustable, so it suits different heights, whether you're a tall adult or a little kid. Now let's talk about the modes. There are 5 of them, each with its purpose. It's got a fancy upgraded chip for better detection too, reaching about 10 inches deep for things like coins. The waterproof search coil means I can take it anywhere, from the beach to rocky terrain, without worrying about damage. Just got to remember that the LCD screen isn't waterproof, so I avoid testing it outdoors in the rain. It's perfect for beach vacations, forest hikes, and camping trips. And it's even great for finding lost items. Trust me, you won't regret getting one of these bad boys. And hey, don't forget about the pinpointer wand. This pick and the next one don't come with one, but I'll link one I recommend below. It's definitely worth picking up for even better results. Number 1, our picks Miyay Metal Detector. I've tried out this metal detector, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. I used to think treasure hunting was just a childhood fantasy, but not anymore. With this detector, I've relived those exciting moments and created new memories with my family. First off, setting it up was a breeze. It's lightweight, easy to assemble, and adjusts to fit any height. Plus, with 2 batteries and a backpack, I can take it anywhere. Beaches, camping trips, you name it. Now, onto the features. The LCD shows all the settings, and I love how I can adjust the sensitivity for different terrains. And those upgraded headphones, they minimize any annoying background noise. But the best part, finding treasure, of course. Whether it's coins or other goodies, the thrill is real. And it's not just for adults, kids love it too, trust me. This makes a fantastic gift for the whole family. And hey, don't forget to enhance your treasure hunting experience with the recommended pinpointer, the Dmyond Metal Detector Pinpointer. It scans big areas fast and gives precise tips on where to dig. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just press one button, and when it finds metal, a light comes on and it beeps. The closer you get to the metal, the louder the beep, so you know exactly where to look. It's lightweight and comes with a belt and bag, making it easy to carry around. Check it out using the link below. You wanted the best. You got it. That's it for the top 3 best metal detectors for beginners. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment your favorite, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.